Do what they say they're gonna do. Be here on time, do quality work, stand behind their products, and High Performance did that. They went over everything, like really in depth, so that we understood exactly what we were getting and what the roof was gonna do for us, and all the benefits of this roof versus a typical shingled roof. It was amazing. I felt like an expert coming out of a 1-hour conversation with them. High Performance actually sent a guy out to meet with the adjuster. They walked the roof together and he showed her everything that he had seen, and the rest was really simple. I just kind of waited for the work to be done, and all the paperwork got handled by High Performance, and it was pretty seamless, easy process for me. The roof is absolutely beautiful. It holds up really well. We've only had one hailstorm since we put the roof on, but absolutely zero damage whatsoever. There's not even a dent on the roof. I was a little bit worried about lightning because obviously it's a metal roof, and so I thought maybe it would attract more lightning. I did some research on that. Actually, it works better for lightning. It works like a lightning rod because it spreads the energy across the roof rather than concentrating it in one area like a shingled roof will do. And I was worried about the sound as well, but with the metal roof, they put a ton of padding underneath it, so it's really quiet. You don't hear the rain or the hail much at all. The biggest thing is my neighbors coming over and telling me how beautiful my roof is. I've had 5 or 6 different neighbors come by and talk about my roof.